Anak, nabasa ko yung pinost mo sa Facebook. Naghahanap ko pala ng credit card. Ba't di mo subukan yung Diners Club? Bagong tayag ng SEAOIL ito with Security Bank. Horizontal card design siya, 7% fuel rebate introductory promo sa new member until March 12, 2014 at 4% sa dating member na may 500 fuel purchase pa sa newly activated card. Plus, may 10% discount sa looks at 24-hour nationwide emergency road assistance. Pero tika lang anak, matanong lang kita, sino ba magbabayad ng card expenses mo? I-post na natin yan. Huwag mo nang explain. Love you.
Ho ho, 7% rebate with turbocharge, ho ho. Loves 10% discount with turbocharge, Diners. This card must you have. It's my SEAOIL card. Get your credit card come true if you let me Diners Club. If you let me Diners, oh oh oh. Introducing Diners International Credit Card, now tie up with SEAOIL, with 7% rebate introductory promo from November 12, 2013 to March 12, 2014, and 4% fuel rebate and free 500 pesos worth of fuel purchase for newly activated cards. And wait, there's more. We have 10% discount on SEAOIL lubricants. What are you waiting for? Go to SEAOIL station near you and be turbocharged.